Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Mr. Know It All here. Tonight we're going to do a review on CATO coin. I just wanted to go through the checklist again with you guys. I added a number 8. Basically, if they're exposing a team either in their Discord or on their website, that's a good sign. You don't want to deal with projects where they don't disclose this information, or if they don't, I don't know, I guess it can go either way. Sometimes projects fail and obviously they don't want to be publicly expose the project failed, and obviously they get a bad reputation in the industry. But projects that tend to expose themselves more so, obviously you can trust them more. You know what I mean? You can trust them more. So I think it's good to have on this list. All right, guys, so let's get into it. CATO coin. So first things first, check the Bitcoin talk thread. You got a junior member. He's actually online right now, so he's pretty active, obviously, on Bitcoin talk forums, and that's good. Check the volume. So I don't know if you guys have heard, but CryptoBridge kind of made coin market cap type deal for their own exchange called cryptobridgecap.org, and so you can see all the volumes today. Looks like this coin, Sharing Market Coin, has the top volume on the day in their exchange. Let's see, look, there's card buyers, guys, in the 20th spot. If you've seen my previous videos, card buyers is one of the projects I like in this market right now. Where is CATO coin? CATO coin, $5,600. They're in the 31st spot in volume today. All right, so they have a Twitter. Let's check out their website. Welcome to CATO coin, the next generation of Masternode technology. Okay, so I guess they're preaching guarantee ROI. Okay, have a white paper. That's a good sign. Discord. Let's check out their Discord. Looks like they have about 300 people in their channel. They just started a bounty campaign, non-mandatory wallet update to display some more. Oh, I didn't mention this to you guys. The CATO coin, actually, the ROI changes when the amount of masternodes come. So the collateral increases as more masternodes are online. And so say you bought the node early on and you paid 2,000 coins. This is for example. I don't remember or know exactly where the collateral started on this coin, but let's just say it was 2,000 coins. And like 2 weeks later, there's more nodes, and now the collateral is 2,500. However, you still have your node at 2,000. You're locked in for that collateral. So that's what I like about this coin. That's one of the main features and benefits that I really think is a big factor in the success of this coin, seeing as though it'll create more longevity for the node holder to hold their coins because they had to get X amount more. Potentially. One more quick thing on the CATO coin. One of the also really good benefits here is that you can run 9 masternodes on 1 VPS. So that's obviously another great benefit to the development of this coin. That's something I like about it. All right, so the Discord looks active. Looks like they're about to start marketing campaign. Token supply and distribution. Let's go to the Explorer here. Top 100. My rule is usually the top 25 wallets have less than 50%, which they do. 43%. So yeah, 43% of that. 28% is the pre-mine. Yeah, it looks like they just started doing some marketing for their bounties. So that's good. So they check off the top 4 already. So let's check the daily rewards first, the number of masternodes. They're producing 2.8 masternodes a day, which really isn't that many. So I'd say that this is a low inflation coin. That's good. They check that off. They are not on Graviex. Their use case, I think their use case, like I said before, is their guaranteed ROI with the change in collateral based on the amount of masternodes. So I think that's their main use case. And they do expose their team, which is good. And they also have a white paper. So yeah, they just expose the names of their team. So they don't actually expose their full names, which is fine. They at least expose this amount of information more than most other projects I see. All right, guys, make sure you guys like and subscribe. This coin gets an 8 out of 10 on my scale here. I think that they have a good use case for their masternode ROI. I think that's going to give them really longevity in their project so that the inflation of the coin, gets reduced, basically stays within reason. And I think that's going to really be the success of this potential currency here. So CATO coin, guys, like and subscribe. Provide your comments below or feedback if you have any questions as to how I go about, purchasing coins, or if you have any other type of technical questions for, setting up these masternodes. Yeah, just like and subscribe and provide your feedback in the comment section, guys. Thanks for choosing Mr. Know It All. Talk to you soon.